And now let's move into micro content. Now, micro content is short form quality content that can be quicker to create and consumed in less than a minute. And why I say can is because it's quicker to create, because you'll be surprised that there's some short form content that a lot of thought and time goes into. But in many instances, micro content can be quicker to create. And so examples are short video clips, memes, infographics, abstracts, GIFs, stories that you see now on Instagram, on Twitter, virtually on every social media platform there. And the benefits of micro content is it's typically quicker to create, right? You can wake up in the morning and talk about snippets of your blog on a story by just looking at the phone and giving it to your audience on your drive, So, and then you think about it, you've covered content for the day. It also lets you break down long form content in segments for better understanding. So I can listen to your whole podcast and go, wow, that's so huge, but still be overwhelmed because there's like 7-8 things that I really want to get a better understanding of there. And what then you can do is break those down into segments that you put into small clips. So if you've talked about 7 things, you could grab one and emphasize on that on a short clip so that I could better understand, or I can also remember. Let's say you mentioned 7 services and I go, wow, they're all superb. But then if you mention one and say, hey, we have a sale on this service that I mentioned and this is what you're going to get, I get a better understanding and it helps. It resonates more. It also provides content for consistency. And when we say consistency, it's when you do long form content, let's face it, it takes time. That's why it's long form content. So I'm sure long form content will take longer time. And then what then do you have to post on social media? So with this, you have a lot to just post from, I should say, because you could just go in your content pool of your 1,000, 2,000 word blogs and just keep posting and be consistent on your social media without being dormant, just posting the same old content. It satisfies. The next one